we just only were here in the balcony together with Nokian and take a look the things over there, down there. We have a lot to see. What did you see, Nokian?
A car.
Oh yeah, there's a car over there. What else? What did you see?
Thank you.
Where? Which one you was seeing? Hello guys. Ito lang ginagawa namin tuwing hapon. Kasama ko yung alaga ko. Dito lang kami nagtatambay sa balcony. Hiya, you just sit down over there. And then we just you just sit down, please. We want to show them the view over here. We just there. Nothing like to see cars over there. And then there's a MTR station over there. Ay, ganito ang view namin dito sa balcony. At saka minsan, pag may mga friends ako ng mga konyang dyan na sumasampay din sa balcony and nagsisay, hi! Oh, who's that? There is no pangyaw here. I cannot see my pangyaw over there. Si Ate Rose wala man. Minsan nakikita ko dyan si Ate Rose sa may balcony. Oh, there's no pangyaw over here. But I see there's angyaw. No kang pangyaw over there. Ito yun guys. Yun, dito sa balcony nagtatambay. Yan, yung kataas yung building. Oh no. Dapat pag magtambay kayo dito kasama yung bata sa balcony guys, if you have to take a look at him, huwag mo siyang iwanan. Ito, balcony. Okay, just sit down please. Cannot dare in the glass. You have to follow Wiwi or else we're going up inside the house. Oh, you take a look, there's a lot of car over there. You see? Oh. Let's sit down. No, there's a neighbor over there. They're cooking the dinner. Oh, there's a car there, baby. Kasi every time na aalis yung mga amo ko, so yung bata, nasanay siya magpunta dito sa balcony at mag-say bye-bye sa mga ano niya, nanay, tatay niya, pag umaalis. Ayan, it's night time already. It's almost 7 o'clock in the evening here. So, now then we're going inside already. We will prepare your food. We're going to eat the dinner first. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay, we'll cook your food. Huh? We'll cook your food, baby. Uh-oh. They are so noisy over there. We'll cook your food now. Huh? You want to eat your dinner?
Not yet.
Okay, not yet. Later? Later? Okay. Ito ang view namin guys. Ayan. Oh, I heard someone over there. It's 7 o'clock already, baby. Let's go. We'll cook your food.
Not yet.
No, you need to eat it now. Because you eat long. Okay, sige na, bye. Bye na guys, kasi i-prepare ko na yung food ng alaga ko, yung food namin for dinner. Kasi matagal kasi ito kumain na bata. Almost 1 hour yung spend mo sa kanya. Pag-aantay dahil ang tagal kumain ng batang ito. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.